My fellow men, listen to me. There is difference from building and building. Those two things are two things wey they don't fit jam together. Any woman wey dey build you for this life, my brother, check well. That woman no get any interest for your life. But anyone that's building you, what do I mean by building? One that can tell you what you will do for you to make money. One that can help you to save. One that can maybe if you are sleeping at home, you tell why not go to work? But any woman wey you meet all the time, she need your time. She need your time. She need your time. Any woman that needs your time more than any other thing, oga, that person is deceiving you. That person don't want it. That person is not a builder, but what? A builder.
Bam. Okay.